All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Hbar family. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for sticking around. Hbar has finally done it, and when I pull out the charts, things will make more sense. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking across the board going into Sunday morning, even though we're seeing a minor pullback for some coins, but some coins are still up double digits. Shiba Inu is making some move, which is quite interesting to see. Tezos is continuing this upwards trajectory. If you're looking at it even on the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame, you can really see Tezos has been on the move. Hbar though. Hbar, what it has been able to do is something we've been discussing over the course of the last few updates. I'm going to really show you guys the importance of this specific move. Highly anticipated move. Currently up 15%. In the last 24 hours in USD comparative, with the price currently sitting at 19.5 cents. Also up 16.9% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at $7.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at 1.17 billion. Before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, and again, it's no secret at this point that the dominance index has been continuously dropping, and it's dropping quite fast, which is a really good thing for altcoins. And we're speaking about altcoin season once again. A lot of analysts are projecting that the month of December is going to be quite bullish for the altcoin market, because Ethereum most likely is going to break towards all-time highs, which of course does trigger, historically speaking, a massive upwards trajectory for altcoins. And what's crazy is the way Bitcoin dominance has been reacting over the course of the last 2 weeks, which is quite interesting to see. And the talks of altcoin season occurring are obviously increasing, and again, not an unrealistic thing to be talking about at this point, because the way the dominance just continues to go down and hasn't really budged, while Bitcoin has seen a shakeout, as well as making its way back towards the upside, very close towards all-time highs Friday morning. Despite that fact, you're not seeing the dominance moving. So as far as Bitcoin is concerned, Bitcoin is looking amazing. It's still above $96,000. That's all we need to be worrying about. As you guys know, $96,000 is a level that I've been speaking about on this channel, and you are looking at the price of Bitcoin maintaining above that 96K mark, which is a big plus point in my books. But while Bitcoin is holding like this, dominance is continuing to fall down. Quite an interesting thing. Which of course shouldn't really be a surprise why you're seeing some of these coins that haven't seen breakouts actually seeing a breakout finally. But let's shift our focus towards Hbar and really understand what Hbar has been able to do. So give yourself a pat on the back if you've been in the Hbar community from day one. Obviously, there's a lot of people that have been accumulating Hbar for quite some time, and we're waiting for this move. We were anticipating this move on this channel, and here we are. We have broken out towards none other than a new yearly high for Hbar. A lot of people were already starting to lose hope, because the price of Hbar was having a little bit of a hard time battling it out with this key resistance at 15.6 cents. Here we are, we have broken out, and you could clearly see where the price of Hbar is currently sitting at. We're facing some significant key resistance dating back to February 2022 levels, and if that is able to clear out, Hbar could make its way back above to the likes of that 27 cents key resistance quite fast. I think that could definitely happen much faster than a lot of people think. That's a 41.3% move. Obviously the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level would be the first retest. If that is able to clear out, I think we could start heading towards more upside for Hbar. But if you're looking at the 24-hour trading volume, that has increased quite substantially, which is really nice to see. And the way things are picking up right now is not a major surprise to us, because let me just show you guys it on the hourly time frame, because a lot of people will already forget the way Hbar has been performing over the course of the last few days. So Hbar, here we are. You can clearly see this for yourself. Hbar had this battle, with this key resistance. Obviously, we saw that initial retest back on the 19th, multiple different retests on the 23rd and the 24th, and then finally this time around was a charm where we finally start to see that breakout, and it had hit a new yearly high. Not only that, speaking about confirmations, you guys know I was talking about how important it was to turn this resistance into support. If you had your buy orders placed in based off of a close, you are looking at Hbar going up 30%, guys, a staggering 30% increase after turning this resistance into support. Let that sink in. That's not a small move by any means, and that tells you everything you need to know in terms of, you know, how big of a deal this really is. And in terms of, you know, the volume, look at this, guys. You're seeing significant amount of upside, and, you know, the trading volume tells you that there's quite a bit of interest right now. And like I said, if we were able to clear out of this key resistance, we could actually make our way up to 20 cents price point quite fast, and that would not come as a major surprise factor to me. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are you guys doing right now in terms of Hbar? Where are your personal targets as far as Hbar price is concerned? Remember, you know, the first bull market for this, you know, project was back in, you know, 2021, which was the last cycle. It reached an all-time high of 57 cents. Obviously, this time around would be the second bull market, and I do believe, you know, Hbar does have, you know, the potential based off of, you know, that it is a U.S.-based project. You know, I think that could be a major catalyst, and of course, you know, we're hearing multiple different news coming about ETFs and stuff. If you see big money coming in, and, you know, some of these developments that are flying around for Hbar are true, I think that could be a huge factor for the price of Hedera going into December. Let me know down below what you guys think. This is the first update of December. Shout out to the Hbar family. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.